The secret of the honey jar. In a small village, there lived an old woman named Clara. Clara had a special jar of honey in her kitchen. The honey was golden and sweet. Everyone in the village loved her honey. One day, a little boy named Ben visited Clara. "Clara, why is your honey so good?" he asked. Clara smiled. "Ah, Ben, this honey is special. It is made with a secret," she said. "What is the secret?" Ben asked, his eyes wide. Clara laughed softly. "I cannot tell you now, but I will show you," she said. The next morning, Clara took Ben to her garden. There were many flowers, red, yellow, and white. Bees buzzed happily from flower to flower. "Look at the bees," Clara said. "They work hard to make the honey. But they also share. They help the flowers grow, and the flowers give them nectar. This is the first part of the secret, sharing." Ben nodded. "Sharing is good," he said. Then Clara gave Ben a small jar of honey. "Now, take this to Mrs. Jane. She is not feeling well," Clara said. Ben ran to Mrs. Jane's house and gave her the honey. Mrs. Jane smiled. "Thank you, Ben. This honey will help me feel better," she said. When Ben returned, Clara asked, "How do you feel?" "I feel happy," Ben said. Clara smiled. "That is the second part of the secret. Honey is sweet, but kindness is sweeter. When we share, we feel happy inside." From that day, Ben understood the secret of the honey jar. It was not just about the bees or the flowers. It was about sharing and kindness. And the honey tasted even sweeter.